I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder of AskSAMIE. My 16 years of experience working with older adults has led me to believe that accessibility should be a right instead of a privilege. And I'm blessed that this passion has attracted a team of like-minded individuals. Willie is our CTO with proven talent for aligning business strategy with product development to create tools that improve the lives of those that need it most. Katie is our Director of Operations. As an OT assistant by trade, she has the professional experience that proves how accessibility in the home should be more attainable. Reed is our Director of Strategic Partnerships and is excellent at combining her OT skills with an eye for problem solving to see ways to make AskSAMIE a true marketplace. And we have amazing guidance from our advisory board, all of whom are exited founders. I'm grateful to have such a strong team and look forward to where we will grow to.